We go to the second sub question. We have 5x raised to 5 plus 4x raised to 4 minus 3x cube plus 2x square plus 2, and the divisor is x square minus x. Now, if you see here, first we have to look at the dividend and see whether all the powers of the variables are represented. The highest power is 5 here, 5, 4, 3, 2, and this is a constant. Okay, so 5 is the highest, so we start with that. 5 is there, 4 we have, 3 is there, 2 is there, but x raised to 1 or just x is absent, so that we are supposed to represent. So we rewrite the dividend as, now here 5x raised to 5 plus 4x raised to 4 minus 3x cube plus 2x square. Now the x term is not there, so plus 0x plus 2. Okay, the divisor is x square minus x. So I write here now the divisor x square minus x. The dividend is now here, we have rewritten it, so we write it now here, 5x raised to 5 plus 4x raised to 4 minus 3x cube plus 2x square plus 0x plus 2. Okay, now we have to start dividing, and as I told you, when we divide, we take the first term of the dividend and divide it by the first term of the divisor. So here I have 5x raised to 5 divided by x square. So this we can write it as 5 into x square into x into x into x upon, here I have just x square. Now why have I written like this? Because the denominator is x square. So I have written the numerator as a multiple of x square. What happens then? X square and x square cancels. What is left now? 5 x into x into x is x cube. So I can write here in the quotient place 5x cube. Now I multiply 5x cube with both these terms. 5 into 1 is 5. X cube into x square is x raised to 5. Now we have to subtract. To subtract, we have to change the signs. Okay. So when I multiply 5x cube into x square is 5x raised to 5. 5x cube into minus x, plus into minus is minus. 5x cube into x is 5x 3 plus 1 raised to 4. So the sign changes here, it becomes plus. You see here minus and plus, so this cancels. What happens here? We have plus 4x raised to 4 and plus 5x raised to 4. That becomes 9x raised to 4. The remaining terms are minus 3x cube plus 2x square plus 0x plus 2. Now see the first term of the dividend here. It is 9x raised to 4. So we divide by the first term of the divisor, that is x square. So here 9x raised to 4 upon x square. Now when I write this as multiples, this will be 9 into x square into x into x upon, now here, x square. So what happens? X square and x square cancels. What will be the answer? 9. X into x is x square. So this 9x square, now we write it in the quotient. 5x cube plus 9x square. Now 9x square we have to multiply with these terms of the divisor. 9x square into x square will be 9x raised to 4. 9x square into minus x will be minus 9. X square into x is x cube. Okay, now we subtract. When we subtract, here the signs change. So here we have plus 9x raised to 4. Here we have minus 9x raised to 4. That cancels. Here we have minus 3x cube and plus 9x cube. So sign of the bigger number is plus. So your answer will be plus. 9 minus 3 is 6. So 6x cube plus 2x square plus 0x plus 2. Okay, now we have here 6x cube as the first term of the dividend. 6x cube divided by x square. So we do here 6x cube divided by x square. This will be 6 into x square into x upon x square. So x square and x square cancel. What is the answer? 6x. So this 6x I will write here plus 6x in the quotient. Now this 6x multiplies with both the terms of the divisor, x square minus x. 6x into x square is 6x cube. 6x into minus x is minus 6x square. Now we have to subtract here. The signs of this will change. So here you have minus and here you have plus. So plus 6x cube minus 6x cube cancels. Plus 2x square plus 6x square becomes 8x square, then plus 0x plus 2. Now we have 8x square as the first term of the dividend. So that is divided by x square now. 8x square upon x square. So here 8x square divided by x square. What happens here? X square and x square cancels. So we get 8. So this 8 now is written in the quotient plus 8. So 8 into x square will be 8x square. Then you have 8 into minus x will be minus 8x. Okay, now we subtract here. When subtracting, what happens? The signs here changes. This becomes minus, this becomes plus. So plus 8x square minus 8x square, they cancel. I have here plus 0x plus 8x. Right here 8x. And then this plus 2. Now at this stage, you will look at the divisor. What is the divisor? X square minus x. And what is the remainder here? 8x plus 2. So, if you reach a point when the power of the divisor or the degree of the divisor is greater than the quotient, then we stop dividing and this becomes the remainder. 8x plus 2 is the remainder. So what do? We have to confirm whether the degree of the divisor is greater than the degree of the remainder. What is the degree of the divisor? Highest power is 2. What is the degree of the remainder? Highest power is 1. 2 is greater than 1. Therefore, we stop doing and 8x plus 2 is the remainder. What happened here? Here 8x square it was. So, the powers, if you see, here the degree of the divisor is 2. Of this also it is 2. So, when they are equal, we can continue dividing. Only when the degree of the remainder becomes less than that of the divisor, we stop dividing. Okay. Now, this is the remainder. Now, we have to write the answer. When we write the answer, again we will write it in the form they told us. That is dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus the remainder. Let us see what is the dividend. The dividend which was given 5x raised to 5 plus 4x raised to 4 minus 3x raised to 3. Let us write 5x raised to 5 plus 4x raised to 4 minus 3x raised to 3. Further, what was there? Plus 2x square plus 2. So, we'll write plus 2x square plus 2. Okay, so this was the dividend. Divisor was x square minus x. So, I write in place of divisor with the bracket x square minus x into the quotient is 5x cube plus 9x square plus 6x plus 8. So, I'll write here 5x cube plus 9x square plus 6x plus 8. So, this is the divisor, this is the quotient plus the remainder. What was the remainder? 8x plus 2. So, I write here 8x plus 2. So, this will be the final answer.